Alright, hey guys. Today we're still working with the same TEK, so it's 4.2c. Yesterday we focused on comparing numbers using the less than, greater than, or equal to symbol. Today we're going to focus on the second part of the TEK, which was ordering whole numbers. So that's when we put them in order from least to greatest or greatest to least. Or another way, like smallest to largest, largest to smallest. Those are different ways to say it. So to do that, we're going to do it very similarly. So the first thing you might want to do is grab a sheet of notebook paper because it will be helpful for you to make a quick place value chart here on your paper, just like we did yesterday. So I'm going to start here with the ones, then go to the tens, hundreds, right? Here's our comma. Then we have the thousands, the 10,000s, the 100,000s. Remember, that's where you guys stopped in 3rd grade. In 4th grade, we keep going. So after 100,000, we have the million, the 10 million, the 100 million, and then the billion. So a sheet of notebook paper is just the easiest way to make that for yourself real quick. So if I'm if I'm ordering numbers. So if I order numbers, typically that has you do it with more than 2. So they want you to put it in order from greatest to least or least to greatest, depending on what the question is asking you. So for this one, let's say I want to put these in order from greatest to least. Right? That means largest to smallest. So I'm going to have to find which one is the largest, which one's the smallest, which one comes in the middle. So to do that, I'm going to plug in my numbers on my place value chart just like I did the other day. So line up your numbers. I'm going to start here in the ones place and just plug them in. So this first one, 0, 5, 6. It's 20,650. Let's plug the next one in. 21,150. And then 20,890. So just like when I was comparing numbers where I started at the highest place value spot that they have, I'm going to do the same. So let's start here. The highest place value spot that they have is the 10,000s. Let's check them. 20,000, 20,000, 20,000. They're all the same. So let's move to the next one. All right, so the thousands. Here I have no thousands. Here's 1,000 and no thousands. Already, this one has, look, more thousands than the other two. So I know this one is going to be the largest because it has 1,000 and these ones don't have any thousands at all. So this one right here is going to be the largest. I might make a note there or over here like, oh, I know this one is the largest already. My marker's going out. Okay, so I'm done with that one. Let's keep going. So this one I'm done. I know that one's the largest. I don't need to look at it anymore. So now I just need to look at these two. Alright, so 0,000, 0,000. Let's go to the next place value. I'm in the hundreds. So look here. I've got 600 and 800. Which one is larger? Which one's smaller? You should know 600 is less than 800. So this one, this number, is the smallest. Because 600 is less than 800, which makes this one in the middle. So if I'm putting these in order from greatest to least, then 21, I'll put them over here, sorry. 21,000 was my largest one. 21,150. The middle one was 20,890. And then the last one, the smallest one, was 20,890. 650. Let's try some more together on the next page.